Accumulation tonight of 5 to 9 inches possible. Widespread blowing snow on Sunday with mostly cloudy skies. It will be very windy as winds gust to 55 miles per hour and temperatures fall to around 10 degrees by early evening. Mostly cloudy, cold for Monday. Chance of snow in the morning with a high of 6. Tuesday, chance of snow, cloudy with a high of 14. Keep it here to Star 106 and mystar106.com for the latest weather information.
Star 106.
It's pretty bad out. We're in a blizzard warning right now, everybody. The roads are nothing but slush, ice. It's freezing rain right now. 32 degrees out. Now we're in Clearlake heading towards the interstate. We're going back home. I was supposed to work tonight, but it's gonna just get worse. And I don't want Rachel to have to go out driving in this mess, end up in a ditch somewhere. Not just for 5 hours of work, which I'm gonna miss my hours, definitely. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. About 45 mile an hour on the interstate. It's slippery as hell. We're sliding everywhere. Cars in the ditch, guys. Make sure everybody slows down today. They just went. Slid right off the road. It's pretty bad out here. It's treacherous driving. No travel advised for anybody. We're headed home. We're not going back out again after this. Yeah, these idiots. Look at that slop just flying off of that semi. Everybody's in such a hurry. It's gonna be like that time I went to Minneapolis. I drove 40 mile an hour in my van all the way. I got passed by 3 or 4 dozen cars. And of those 3 or 4 dozen cars that went by me, almost 75% of them were in the ditch in some place or another. As I drove down the road, I passed every one of them. And this is the key factor. When it's like this, you gotta slow down. There's no chance, no sense in risking it by driving fast. This stuff will pull your car right off the road. It's like driving through flooded roadways, the current. Well, this slush here will pull you all over the place. As you can tell, we're sliding right now. Slow down, man. Alright. We'll be all good. Yeah, I just want to get this footage here. We're going to put this up in a video. And I'm also going to post it to our community on Facebook there for the road conditions. So everybody can kind of get an idea. It's pretty treacherous driving here tonight. Really bad. Oh my lord. About 35 mile an hour traffic is traveling down that interstate right now, headed northbound towards Highway 9. Really bad out here. Ooh. See, we're sliding all over here. We're not even barely even moving that fast. Bet he's got his 4-wheel drive locked in. Really warm out here.
your State Farm agent in Mason City. We all want to start a new year on a better footing. Maybe lose some weight, focus on better health, be more positive, make 2019 our best year yet. However, when we use the word resolution,
Let's get rained on.
have the discipline to prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Our resolution for 2019, our resolve, is to continue to focus our message to support your resolve to put that phone down. After 5 years,
Highway 9, westbound, just crossing the interstate bridge.
the phone while driving. Please join us and put that phone down. Make it your resolution to exit the text while driving, because none of your goals can come true if you text and drive.
There's a snowplow.
And do it for those around you, because they have goals and goals too. No message, no search, no text is more important than someone's safety, someone's life.
This community well-being improvement message is designed to make healthy choices
Oh, boy.
easier.
Making the healthy choice can be difficult, but with the help of Healthy Hometown,
Yeah, pretty nasty weather today, guys.
expertise to take action.
No travel is advised. There's about a half dozen plows entering the highway up here by the county shed. They're all loading up with salt and sand and heading out on the roads, guys.
Be a part of their
Get
future
ready.
well-being. Contact Healthy Mason City or go to iowahealthyestate.com.
This Healthy Mason City update is brought to you by Poet Fire Refining of Hanlontown, a healthy estate workplace 2019.
Oh yeah, he was loaded heavy.
Hi, I'm Rachel McGuire, Director of Enrollment Services at NIAC. I
There's
would like
another
to
one.
sincerely thank you for trusting us to educate you, your children, and your employees for the past 100 years. A lot has changed over the past century, but our commitment to quality education and student success has not. This commitment is reflected back in more than 32,000 alumni.
We're traveling about 35 mile an hour here, and it's pretty slow going. It's pretty slippery.
We are honored to be your
Yeah, not an ideal way to be traveling, that's for sure.